Hi, it's Alistair at Tregoad Holiday Park. Just wanted to bring you down to this fantastic Willerby Vogue. It's a 43 by 14. Let's go and take a wander inside and have a look. This holiday home sited on Seaton Sands, looks right out over the countryside and out to sea as well. We've got this amazing valley that it looks down, so come in and have a look with me. We've got this cracking lounge area, huge in here. It's 14 feet wide and also built to residential spec, so it's got all the features in it. Really nice TV point, sliding doors to take you out onto the patio with the views behind, and then through to the dining area. This one's got 6 seats. We've got an American fridge freezer, room for the red wine. We've even got a white wine cooler down here, integrated microwave, 5 rings on the cooker for when you've got family down, dishwasher and washing machine. You can see it's a really nice, big, comfy front area, great for entertainment. Now, if you want to come through to the back, come and have a look. We've got this great twin room just in here. One of the great things with this is it does have the 3-foot beds in it, so there's loads and loads of space for when you've got extra guests. And we'll go through into the master bedroom suite as well, which is really nice. So there's a huge amount of room in here, huge dressing area just there, bed just there. So as you can see, if you come down for longer periods of time, we've got this fantastic wardrobe here, plenty of room for everything that you need. Couple that with this great ensuite shower room. It's a really private main bedroom suite. Then for your guests as well, we've got this fantastic shower room just in here too. So it's perfect luxury for everybody when you're coming down for holidays. So yeah, this is a great holiday home. Lots and lots of space, great for families. You've even got a place for entertaining up there where you can put the music on in the Bluetooth speakers and just chill out and look at those Tregoad views. If you want any more information on this, you're more than welcome. Give me a call, 01503 390 004.